how to redeem code on Xbox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem code on Xbox. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Follow these quick steps in order to redeem code on Xbox. First, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide while signed in into the console with the account you want to apply the code to. From the guide, select Store. Once opened, press the View button on the controller to open the side menu and then select the Redeem option. Now, enter the 25-character code without the hyphens, then follow steps to finish the redeeming process. And with this, if the code was entered correctly, the credit or content will be applied to your account. So this is how you can redeem code on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.